the birth of a free foreign exchange market. In the early 1970s in America, the US Treasury's gold reserves were rapidly running out. There was just not enough gold to provide an exchange of the US dollar to gold for investors around the world. To fix this, on August 15, 1971, US President Richard Nixon announced that the states will no longer exchange gold for dollars. The abolition of the gold standard was spelled out in the Smithsonian Treaty. Thus began the newest history of the foreign exchange market, the era of forex. At the same time, in 1972 in Europe, the Basel Agreement was established, which included the European currency snake. It's an agreement to coordinate the actions of the EEC member countries in regulating the exchange rates of these countries relative to each other. In 1973, the international monetary system switched to a floating exchange rate. The forex market began to gradually become what it is today. In January 1976, the conditions for the transition to the modern Jamaican international monetary system were finalized in Jamaica. In this agreement, it was said that rates are set not by the state, but by market demand. The old rules of currency exchange collapsed. Gold lost its status as a reserve instrument, and the world gradually adopted a floating exchange rate system. In 1990, capital flows between countries increased due to new technologies. The forex market has become available to individual traders and investors who have received a tool for speculating on currencies. In 1992, the world witnessed several crises related to currency speculation. The best example is Black Wednesday in 1992. The Bank of England was forced to remove the pound from the European monetary system due to its rapid depreciation. Billionaire George Soros went short £10 billion betting on the fall of this currency. George Soros' personal profit from this deal was estimated at $1 billion. Since 1995, traders have been able to trade currencies in real time via the internet. And since 2002, the explosive growth of foreign exchange trading began. Forex is currently the largest financial market in the world. $7 trillion is the daily volume of transactions in this market. And most importantly, each of us today can become a participant in this process. Thanks to the Elimtrade platform, the entire Forex market can be in your pocket. Just install the mobile application and register. History is cyclical. The market is waiting for new heroes. Who knows, maybe you are the new legend of modern trading.